Hey guys, how you doing? It's Joseph Chacon of the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. We're over here at this lovely new listing, DR Horton build in Ventana Ranch West. This home is about 1,700 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, a lovely, lovely property. Let's go check it out. Okay, the address on this property is 9908 Cerro, Largo, and Rachel's gonna take over on the inside. Let's go see.
Hi, once you come in, you are welcomed by this beautiful living area with the luxury vinyl flooring as well as the gas fireplace, with an open concept walkthrough right into the dining room as well as the kitchen area.
This amazing kitchen area has stainless steel appliances. You got solid surface countertops around, while with a single base stainless steel sink. Lovely place to be. Obviously you have your 2-car garage door entryway with washer and dryer space, and you've got your half bath powder room right over here. Let's go check out the upstairs.
I can't wait to show you guys the upstairs. Come on. So at the top of the stairs, you are greeted with this lovely little loft area. You have your east-facing window with a blooming tree view, as well as another view outside of the west-facing windows. This room could be used as an additional living space, an office space, an exercise area. The sky is really the limit here. Right in here, with the east-facing balcony, you do get a partial Sandia mountain view. You have the bathroom area, newly done sinks, new soft close cabinets, a garden tub, and the standing shower. And then I can't forget to show you walk-in closet with a barn door. It's beautiful.
And right over here, off to your left, you have a lovely brand new vanity with those solid surface sinks, as well as a lovely appeal in here. And then of course, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and with closets, of course.
Man, coming outside, you have this beautiful, tranquil backyard. Sit out here in the peace and quiet. You've got an area to sit with your family if you want. It's already paved. There's the southwest, zero escaping here. You've got another seating area back there. If you want a quiet space to enjoy, this house is for you.